Where's the balloon, Zeke? Where's the balloon? Balloon? Where's the balloon? There it is. Can you get it? Yeah. Get the balloon. Yeah, get it. Show me. Where is it? Oh, look at it. Where are you going? Good job. Balloon. You don't like it attached to your ball? Where'd it go? Hi. Yeah, now I can do this. Can you say hi, Mama? Dada. Where's the ball? Can you say ball? Ball. Yeah. What's that? What's that? What's that? That's right. That's a long meow. Say meow. Was that meow for the kitty? Say meow. Good job on your words. Oh. Yeah. That's what the kitty says. Meow. I love you. What's that? Where's the kitty? Oh, throw the ball. You want to throw it with me? Okay, ready? You want to throw it? Throw the ball. Throw it. Good. Get it again. Ready? Where are you going? You're just coming after it. Here, throw the ball. Throw it. Good job. Ready? Can you get it? Ready? You gotta sit back. Usually you want to catch it too. Good job. You throw it. Ready? You're kidding. Thank you.